MCQs related to the periodic classification of elements. 10th students. This is for 10th students. The number of groups and of atoms and a period is a modern periodic table respectively or 18 and 7. Electronic configuration of elements X 2881 and electronic configuration of elements Y 287. Then type of bonds formed between these two elements is ionic bonds. The atom number of elements A, B, C and D 3, 9, 4 and 8 respectively. Elements having metallic in nature among these are C, A and C. In a modern periodic table, as we move from left to right along the period, the atomic size of element is decreases. The modern periodic table, as we move from left to right, metallic property of the element is decreases. The scientist who proposed the modern periodic table, Henry Moseley. The number of valence electrons present in nitrogen atom is 5. Elements X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is solid with a high melting point X, would most likely be the same group of periodic table as magnesium. The law of octaves was found to be applicable element is calcium. According to Maldives periodic law, the elements were arranged in a periodic table in the order of increasing atomic masses. The Maldives periodic table goes where left for the element to be discovered later. Which of the following elements found a place in a periodic table is germination? Where would you locate the element with electronic configuration 2, 8 in the modern periodic table? Is group 18. An element which has an essential constituent of all organic compounds belongs to group 14. Which of the following is an outermost shell for electrons of period? Is L shell. Which one of the following elements is exhibiting maximum number of valence electrons? Is D and P. Which among the following elements has the largest atomic radii? C and K. Which of the following elements would lose an electron easily? C and K. Which of the following elements does not lose the electron easily? B and F, bromine and fluorine. What type of oxide would Ica aluminium forms? E2O3. 3 elements means bromine, silicon and germanium are metalloids. On among the left to right in short period of valency of electrons which with respect to first increased from 1 to 4 then decreased from 4 to 1. Modern periodic table based on atomic number. Which of the following statement is not correct statement about trends when going from left to right across periodic table? The atom lost their electron more easily. Elements X forms chloride with the formula XC12, which is a solid with high melting point X would most likely be in the same group of periodic table. X would most likely in the same group of periodic table is a magnesium. An atom of electronic configuration 287, the atomic number of an element is 17. Malthus used this as a criteria in its periodic table. Hydrates and oxides. Identify the formula that would not represent the traits is A minus C 2B. Which of the following is correct? Increasing order of atomic radii of the element oxygen, fluorine and nitrogen. Fluorine less than oxygen, less than nitrogen. The element ABC belongs to group 2, 14, 16 respectively of the periodic table. Which of the elements will forms covalent bond? B and C. The elements of X belongs to the third period is the first group of periodic table. What is the number of valence electrons in its compound in its atom? 1. The elements M is group 13th periodic table. The formula of oxides M2O3. Observe the table. Identify the formula of oxide of lithium LiO. The second period of most metallic elements is it is with least nuclear charge. Electronic configuration of carbon is 2 and 4. Number of valence electrons found in elements with atom number 19 is 1. A, B, C, D or the elements belongs to the group of 1, 2, 13, 14, 16 respectively. The most electronegative element in the field is E. The correct arrangement of elements according to increasing order of their nuclear charge is lithium less than Be less than B less than C less than N less than O less than F. Identify the elements as tendency loss of electrons most easily. K. Metal M is the 13th group of periodic table. Oxides formula and valency are M2O3 3. Consider the elements 20 Ca 8 O 18 Ar 16 S 4 Be 2 He helium. Which of the above elements would you expect be the group of 16 of the periodic table? 8O and 16S. In a modern periodic table, which element is completely filled with electrons? Helium, neon and argon. Identify the elements E with Z shell and forms a magnesium compound with the formula MgEO. In the modern periodic table, EKA, aluminum can place it in a group 13. The elements with the 3 shells having a 4 electrons in valence shell is silicon. The elements with the 2 shells loses their electrons from its valence shell is boron. The elements of electrons is twice as many electrons in its second shell as its shell is carbon. In a given table, formula of the compound is formed between B and D is D and B. The above table is a non-metallic elements is B and C. In the above table, the most metallic elements is D and F. The maximum number of elements is found in second and third periods is C, B. and B. A plus C bar 2 is equals to B can be related to the law of Dobrier's law of traits. Novelants, the periodic table is kept to the same slot or cobalt and nickel. Thank you for watching video. If you like, please subscribe, share and like our channel. Dear students, thank you for watching this video.